song by Chloe Moriondo. It's called Manta Rays. Manta Rays is, I'm not exactly sure what it's about. It's kind of mysterious, but it's got some fabulous artwork on it. And it's in the C sharp minor is the first chord. And then you got a B, which is a bar chord. And an A. I'm doing this one here where I get my pinky up here, or you can just do this one. And then E. And those are the only three chords really. 1, 2, 3, 4 chords, sorry. It's a 4-chord wonder. If you want the complete blueprint for this song, including the tabs, chords, and more, go to jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's completely free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier. So the intro to the song basically does this pattern. Sharp minor, that's the pattern. It kind of moves around a little bit, so you know there's not really a real strong verse chorus. The verse is the chorus is the verse. So it's just a matter of C sharp minor, and then the alternate is C sharp minor, A, where it hangs on it. So you can hear the difference. It's a little bit ambiguous in terms of what's the chorus and what is the verse. It's one of those kind of songs, but it's got a great vibe to it. Secondly, there's a second part that happens later on in the song, and I'm going to give it to you right now. So here's from the long A.
Tell them like after the chorus it goes just to this long A. Explain what you're doing right here.
Okay. So after the chorus it goes to this long A, which is going to set up the B section. And here's the B section. And then does a long B here. As a breakdown. All right, so here's it's a little bridge section, a little B section that happens towards the end of the song. After the chorus, it hits a long A. Section that goes D to A. That's 1. 2. And here it stays super long at the B. And then here it does a little breakdown verse at the end. It goes, it just lets the chords ring out. Now, I just realized something as I was talking to Jason about it. If you look at that C sharp minor chord, this is just for fun so you know. If you want to voice it separately, have a slightly different voicing, on that B, hit this note, include that in your B. And then in the A, same note with an A chord. So it's like an internal melody. You can play these chords if you want to do a variation, and again, there's a lot of layering going on in this song. There's a lot of production with the echoey guitar and stuff. But if you hit the regular C sharp minor and then do this kind of power chord B like this, if some of you have trouble with this barring, just hit first finger, second fret on the A string, and then followed by third finger, fourth fret, and pinky fourth fret on the D and G string respectively. Get that chord. Now you can back that up to and have an A same way. So for those of you that are beginning, just starting out, you might have trouble with these big bar chords. An alternate way to do it would be. It sounds pretty cool. You're still going to need to hit that E chord, of course. Okay? So getting out of this song, I'm going to tell you how to get out of it now. It's slightly different getting out of it. So here's the exit of the song, the out. After it's done that long, it just goes like this. Oh, yes. To the E. To the A. Sharp minor, B, A, and then it ends. C sharp minor, B, A. So it resolves on that E at the very end, okay? So that's all for you. Manta Rays is the name of the song. That's all for you and all for me today. Hey, hit me up if you got any requests or comments. I'd love to hear from you. We'll see you down the road. Bye-bye.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll, rock and roll. Stay awesome and rock and roll.